Let me show you what I got in my package. These are the 2.6 gallons small trash bags. And we get 5 packs. Each pack has 30, so that's a total of 150 bags. I keep these bags in my bathroom because they're small. They're for bathroom or wherever you have small trash cans. Each one measures about 19 inches before it's open. And they're very easy to open and they're biodegradable. And as you can see, the material is transparent. They're not the thickest bag I've encountered, but for the size, these are very good. I don't think you can fit the amount of garbage in there that should break this bag. And as you can see, I'm stretching the bag and it's like elastic, it's stretching. And it's gonna take a lot of force for me to break this bag. So there you have it. These are really good bags. I do recommend them. And as I said, I use them in my bathroom trash can because it's small. My trash can is 11 inches high and the top is 8 inches by 10 inches. And as you can see, the bag is loose on my trash can, so it can definitely fit a larger trash can. I normally keep a roll in the bottom of my trash can, that way I don't have to be running all over the place to find a bag.